Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video we're going to be making a lantern and it's not any particular occasion lantern. It is going to be a glam lantern, more for display. So let's jump into the video, guys. I hope you're having an awesome day. And let me show you what we'll be using. Remember, everything that I use is down in the description box below. Okay, so I was walking through the Dollar Tree and I absolutely love these pictures, and they're like the perfect size for a lantern. Anyway, it says, "Darling, you're pure gold." Isn't that nice? I don't know, I fell in love with it. So what I did is I took the taller of the dowels, because they have two size dowels, the smaller ones, and these are the taller ones. I took these out and I spray painted them in gold. So we're going to be making a lantern out of these two pictures. Anything else I'm using, guys? I think we're going to be using the Fix-All adhesive. You can get this in the auto section. Okay, so let's jump into the video, guys. I'm really excited. I'm always excited about doing the DIYs. So but I am really excited about this one. This is my first time doing one with an actual picture, and I love what it says, "Darling, you're pure gold." I mean, who's not gonna like that? That's just beautiful. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to take this wrapper off of both of these pictures. Okay, and look at the color of that gold. I mean, isn't that like, I mean, look at it. I just, this is like my favorite color gold, and it's not easy to find. You could see the difference because this is metallic gold, but they're not the same. It's not the same. So we know that this is a picture, and there's two tabs on each one of these pictures. So what we need to do first is we need to go ahead and hot glue the we need to hot glue this board to the frame. So we're gonna do that with the hot glue. We're not gonna use like a lot, but we just wanna glue the seam. So, okay, I think that hot glue looks pretty set. Now we can go ahead and move on to the next part here. So I'm sorry, that's my baby dog playing over there. Okay, I want to make sure that the wording is facing in the right direction. Okay, I don't know, you know, I should have done this first. Okay, let's do this. So we're going to put a little bit of that Fix-All adhesive on the corner there, and we're going to do that on both sides. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot glue. It's gonna take a second anyway, so I have plenty of time to come back on this side and put some hot glue. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and let's figure out the length here. We're gonna place one on one side, one on the other. Okay, and we're going to make sure that weight is holding both sides. On the one side and the dowel on the other side. Then we want to make sure that the weights are holding this up just until that glue sets, because underneath that we have the Fix-All. Then we want to make sure that this part is straight. I just had this idea. I thought it would be nice to go ahead and create a hanger for the lantern. We're waiting for it anyway, so we may as well go ahead and make a hanger for it. And so what I did was I took some floral wire from the Dollar Tree and I measured the length that I wanted. And so what we're going to do is we're going to thread it through with some pearls that we also got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, let's see. Try to make that look as fancy. I don't know, I love pearls anyway. So, okay, so we're gonna curl the end here so that the pearls don't come through to the other side. Then we're gonna go ahead and thread the pearls through. Okay, while we're waiting. And these are the bigger of the pearls. I think that's 14 milliliter. And there's probably some of these are slightly smaller. I don't think you can really tell the difference too much. Let's see if I can thread it through. Yeah. So this must be the, in this jar, the 14 and the 12. Okay. So this way we can add some pearls. So while we're waiting for that, we can get all this other stuff done. Okay, so I'm gonna twist this here so that the pearls don't come through, and then we're gonna go ahead and put that aside and check on the snowflake I have drying outside. I decided to go ahead and paint that with the gold metallic spray paint. It's not pretty. Then you can just manipulate that, hang it any way that you like. So we're gonna place that aside here. Let's turn this around. Okay, let me move this over some so it's more on the mat. I'm not really sure how that's gonna work out. So, okay. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and we are going to slide in this one. All right, push that down. And then we're gonna come back over here. Now I am gonna go back at the end of all of this. I am gonna go back and reseal these dowels because we don't want any accidents, okay? And this is what those look like without the gems. So we may as well bling this out while we're waiting for that to dry. So here's one, and here is two. Absolutely glam. Absolutely glam. Okay, so it looks like we might be able to work with this. Let me just go ahead. So I thought it would be nice to glue one of the snowflakes on this side and one of them on this side. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I don't know if you could see that, guys. Let me see if I could show you. Just a little, isn't that beautiful? Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just remember, we made this hanger, this pearl hanger. And now the wording is, so now the wording is facing me. I would rather put the hanger facing me, so I'm glad we put those snowflakes that way. And so I would like this to go like that, and this part there to go a little bit flat. Here, let me just bring this a little closer. Here is the pearl hanger. I went ahead and I glued that. I only use hot glue because nobody's really going to be touching that. It's for display purposes. The lantern is still trying to dry, but at least I can move it around. I'll go ahead and secure that. And this is the snowflake. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And see on the top, you could see where it says, "Darling, you're pure gold." I absolutely love that. So I'm just gonna move it here. I got one of these LED candles just to show you what you can do with it. Okay, so make sure the LED. Or you can even make a floral arrangement. You can put some floral moss, some floral foam in there and make an arrangement. Keep it on the center of your table. We're gonna place that LED right in the center there. And this is what that looks like. I think it's absolutely gorgeous with the little snowflake and the pearl hanger there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. I had a great time making this. I hope you did too, watching it. Click like, share, and comment. And I hope you're having an awesome evening, guys. I'll see you in the next video.